Welcome back everybody. So today in this video we are going to be doing a Green and Burl Bowl. The tools we're going to be using are from Easy Wood Tools and they are going to have the negative rake cutters on it throughout the video. So yeah, let's get turning. So we're going to be turning it round to shape right now. Starting off with the #1 hollower, like I say, with the negative rake cutter on it. While I'm turning it to shape, I'd like to invite you to a weekend show that I do with a good friend of mine called Jake Thompson, called Saturday Morning Cartoons, where we discuss and do things, all things resin related. So if you're into that kind of thing, I'd like to welcome you across over to there. It's at Saturday mornings at 10 AM Central Time. So it's a real fun show. So yeah, please come and join us. Link will be in the description and in the cards. So there's the outside shaped up, and now we're going to move round to the inside of the bowl. So we're just going to get the tool rest turned round. I'm going to get the lathe turned on, and we're going to start off using the #1 hollower. So we're just going to start by facing the top off. And now we're going to start plunging it in. Once again, still using the negative rake cutter. Look at all them ribbons there coming off. Fantastic, these negative rake cutters. Doesn't matter how hard you push or how you use it, it's never chips out. Absolutely game changer, these tools. There is the mini finisher, just to take out any ridges that might have happened. Again with a negative rake cutter on it. And back to the #1 hollower, just to clean up the rim of the bowl. Okay, we're just moving the tool rest out of the way. So I've already done most of the sanding now. So it's going to take some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean up the sawdust from the previous grit. Get a kind of a preview now of what it's going to look like at the end. Like I say, I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're going to get up to the 400 grit. This is from Klingspor Abrasives. It's the Abranet. Bit of compressed air just to take out any sawdust from the pores. And a little bit more methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Alright, there's some Hampshire Sheen matte sanding sealer there. If anyone's interested in the Hampshire Sheen products, there will be a link down in the description. And some Yorkshire grit abrasive paste. There's also links down to that down in the description. There's UK and US distributors, links down below. Just wipe it on until the paper towel comes off clean, and you've got the equivalent of 1,000 grit. There we go. Just going to take it one more step further and use Yorkshire Grit Microfine. Exactly the same process as before. You just buff it all in, wait until the paper towel comes off clean, and you can move on to the next step, which was the buffing wheels for me off camera. And there you go. So the resin that I used in this video was Alumilite Clear Slow, and the pigments I used were from Eye Candy Pigments. So now we're on to the bottom. I'm just going to remove the glue block that I used. So we're using the number 1 hollower here. And this is the standard one until I get close enough to the resin where I can swap out to the negative rake. And now we're going to the negative rake detailer. And move the tail stock out of the way so we can take off that nubbin. There we go, pop. There we go. I'm going to get the sanding. Once again, I've done most of the sanding, but I'm just going to quickly wipe over from the previous grit with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. So there's 3 different kinds of green pigment in this bowl, and obviously you can see at the bottom there one of the other different colours. And we're just going to sand it up to 400 again. Bit more methylated spirits. Some Yorkshire Grit Original. Once again, you just buff it in until you get a clean paper towel, until there's no residue coming off, and you've got an equivalent of 1000 grit. And finally some Microfine from Yorkshire Grit. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. If you wouldn't mind giving it a big old thumbs up, and show your friends, show your family, and share your enemies if you like. There will be some pictures at the end for you to watch, and until next week's video, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.